What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be continuing our test to find out the best ceramic wax product. If you haven't seen the previous video, I went through the application and kind of description of each one of these products, so I'll link that down in the description or right up here. You guys can go and take a look at that as well, but make sure you come back because today we're going to be testing the hydrophobic properties of these 8 different products. These are all ceramic infused waxes or polishes. Really easy to use, just put it on a machine or you can do it by hand. I prefer doing it by machine, but you're getting some ceramic properties in your wax, which just creates for a more hydrophobic feel. So I've got my panel right behind you guys. So we're gonna go back over to that and start testing it. We're gonna start off just by touching the panel and seeing which ones feel the most slick, which one has the slickest feel, and then we'll go into testing it, testing for water beading, how fast the panel flashes off and dries and all that kind of good stuff. So stay tuned guys, here we go. And as always, if you like these kinds of videos, anything related to car detailing, tips, tricks, how-tos, and product reviews, then please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. Now let's jump into this panel. Okay guys, so here's the panel. Again, we started off with Turtle Wax's Graphene, Mother's Ceramic Wax, Meguiars Ceramic Wax, Guys HydroSlick here. We moved into a 3-in-1 polish and coat product that has ceramic in it from Mother's. Here went to CarPro's Jeweling Agent, which is a top coat kind of a thing. No abrasives in it, but it does have some filling capabilities with ceramic in it. CarPro Essence Plus is what that's called. Then the panel below, we have basic CarPro Essence. What that one is, why that's different is CarPro Essence actually does have abrasives, so you can use it as a primer to a full-blown ceramic coating. The Essence Plus you cannot. You can use it on top, but not as a primer. And then finally, the last one here is from my local car detail supply shop, Car Glo, and this is their Caliber product, which is very similar to Essence. It's a ceramic-based or silica-based primer polish. So for the first test, like I said, I'm just gonna be testing the slick feel of it. Now this is gonna be anecdotal. There's no way for me to kind of visually show this to you guys, so I'm just gonna go through, feel each panel, and try and rank them from slickest to least slick. So first up, we have the Turtle Wax Graphene, and it is extremely slick. It feels very, very good, very smooth surface. Moving over to the Mother's Ceramic Wax, also very, very good, but definitely just a hair behind the Turtle Wax. So Turtle Wax, I would for sure say, is the slickest between those two. Moving right along to the Meguiars Ceramic Wax. There's a little bit of a tack to it, a little bit of a tackiness feel. Still very slick, but definitely not as slick as the first two. And last up, we're going over to Guys HydroSlick. Very smooth as well. So here's where we're gonna be. So last place so far of these 4 would be the Meguiars Ceramic Wax, although application on this one was the easiest. But yeah, it's just got a little bit, tiny bit of a grab to it compared to the others. I'm gonna try and narrow it down now between the HydroSlick, the Turtle Wax Graphene, and the Mother's Ceramic Wax. See if I can, I mean, it's very soft and very slick feeling. Oh man, we're really splitting hairs here. I'm gonna say, now, Mother's was going to be in 3rd place, and for 1st place, we're going to be looking at between HydroSlick and the Turtle Wax Graphene, and I'm going to have to say, man, they're really interchangeable, 1 and 2, really. They both feel very, very slick. Now, I will say, when I did the application, which was 36 hours ago, the Turtle Wax for sure felt the slickest, and Guys HydroSlick just kind of felt okay on the wipe off. It was a little bit weird to remove because it's kind of a gel type material product. But after the cure time, I gotta say Guys HydroSlick really came and really increased its slickness. I'm gonna say Turtle Wax Graphene number 1, HydroSlick number 2, Mother's number 3, and Meguiars number 4. Just on slickness right off the bat. Again, Meguiars was the easiest to apply. Moving on to the polish side of them. Let's go Mother's 3-in-1. Very slick. Actually, slightly slicker to me personally, just again, anecdotal here guys, slicker than the Meguiars Ceramic Wax. So that's good. Moving on to the CarPro Essence Plus. Man, yep, smoother than the Mother's. So moving on to Essence. Very similar to Essence Plus. Yeah, pretty much the same feel almost. I would say the Essence and the Mothers are the exact same feeling. Essence Plus slightly beats them. And then the last one, the Car Glo, definitely has a little bit of a tacky feel to it as well, which doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing. The hydrophobic properties may be better with that. But I will say, guys, when I went and bought the product, my buddy at Car Glo did say to get the highest slickness, you would want to apply something over that. So, but again, that's slickness, not hydrophobics. So we'll go ahead and go into the hydrophobic properties now. Get my hose out and we'll start hosing this thing down and seeing what the results are. Okay guys, so just a quick recap. We're gonna start off from the slickest was Turtle Wax's Graphene, followed by Guys HydroSlick, next slickest. Third on the list is the Meguiars Ceramic Wax, followed by CarPro Essence Plus was the next slickest, beating out just the basic ceramic wax from Meguiars. Again, this is just slickness, just anecdotal. Doesn't mean it's gonna translate to hydrophobic properties and all that kind of stuff, but for slickness, number 4 is Essence Plus. Number 5 and number 6 are interchangeable really. That's gonna be the Mother's 3-in-1 Polish and Coat and the CarPro Essence. Number 7 on the list will be Meguiars Ceramic Wax. And number 8 will be Car Glo Caliber. Again, that's just pure slickness, just by feel. And just so you guys know, they're all very, very smooth, very, very slick. It's just those top 4 are significant. Actually, those top 3 are significantly slicker than the rest. Okay guys, so for this first test, I'm gonna leave the panel laying down horizontal so we can see the beading and how well it actually holds up on the panel. So I've just got my water hose here hooked up with the little sprayer. And here we go, we're gonna start off. I'm just gonna douse down the whole panel and then we can look at it a little bit closer. Okay guys, so just again, anecdotal, just from me looking at it, the Turtle Wax Graphene, tightest beads, and then the Meguiars Ceramic Wax is super tight beads. Everything else is doing a really good job of fighting stuff off. I would say the 2 polishes at the end, Caliber and Essence from CarPro are definitely behind on those ones, but again, these are more polishes, so that it makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my phone and get in here tight for you guys so you can see it a little better. All right, so here we go. Here is the Turtle Wax Graphene, followed by Mother's Ceramic, followed by Meguiars Ceramic. You can see all those really tight little beads. Now, does that necessarily mean that's a good thing? No, because potentially that can harden, or depending on the water you're using, that's leaving a lot of spots as opposed to just completely sheeting off. But it is notable that it is a really tight bead. Following up, Guys HydroSlick, the Mother's 3-in-1 Polish, the CarPro Essence Plus, CarPro Essence, and finally Car Glo Caliber. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to that same spray pattern now and apply it again to these panels. I'm gonna try and go kind of one by one and try and inspect as I go. I'm gonna pull my phone out as well and try and inspect that for you guys. Next. 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 So as you can see there, guys, you can see the water's not just kind of bouncing off. It's sitting on the panel a little bit there versus these other ones, it just kind of comes right off. So already the 3-in-1, that's that first polish, is not performing the same at all. You can see how much water is still staying on the panel. Okay, next up, CarPro Essence Plus. Wow, working much, much better than I had expected. Going to CarPro Essence. And that one's taking some time to get the rest of the water off. CarPro Essence Plus though, it's pretty quick. And last one is Caliber. And again, taking time to get the panel off. But again, as a ceramic primer, guys, these two products are fantastic to use as your ceramic primer to polish out the car before you ceramic coat. So for this last test, now I have it set outside or vertical, and I'm just gonna let the water run pure out of the hose and see that we're gonna test like the sheeting ability, if it just completely goes off or it kind of takes a little bit of time to pass. So I'm gonna do it on my phone so you guys can see better. All right, here we go. Flashes right off. Very quickly. Next one. A little bit longer of a hold there, but not bad. Okay, next one is the Meguiars Ceramic Wax. Comparable, they're all sheeting off pretty quickly, especially at this extreme vertical angle. Next one, HydroSlick. Wow. I gotta say, HydroSlick's definitely sheeting off the fastest. For sure. Compared to the other ones. You can see that trail behind it. Again, a trail behind. Again, a trail behind, and then HydroSlick just drops right off. Now the polishes, again, definitely moving slower off of them. The Essence Plus, I was very surprised with it indoors. Let's see here. Yeah, it's acting like a traditional ceramic wax. The other polish, the 3-in-1, is definitely moving a lot slower. A lot slower. Regular Essence. Yep, tons of water still sitting on the surface. And then Caliber. Same story. So the winner here, guys, for sheeting is definitely the HydroSlick from Chemical Guys. Like, that's impressive. All right, so there's our first test. I gotta say, the clear winner to me is Chemical Guys HydroSlick, and I did not expect that. I've used some of their other hydro line. I did a video on interior protectants, like a Scotch Guard type product, and their hydro thread didn't impress me that much. So I was kind of thinking that the hydro line was gonna be all hype. And I gotta tell you, it's not. This performed better than the rest. It did a fantastic job with the water beading, but then so did the other ones. But then when we got into the sheeting off, man, no water was sticking onto that panel. It was coming right off, versus the other ones had a little bit of a delay in getting all the rest of the water off. So, plus the fact that it increased its slickness over time from being cured, really good. Now, just really quickly, I'm just gonna feel them again. I did just do a towel dry real quick, no product on it. I'm gonna go ahead and feel them again, see if they lost any of their slickness. The Turtle Wax Graphene still feels super slick. The Mother Ceramic definitely doesn't feel nearly as smooth as it did. Neither does the Meguiars Ceramic. The HydroSlick is still slick, not as slick as it was, but it's still slick. But the Turtle Wax one is definitely the slickest. Going on to the 3-in-1, feels pretty much exactly the same as it did. CarPro Essence Plus feels the same. Essence feels the same. And Car Glo Caliber feels the same. All right, so there you have it, guys. I would say the top 2 performers for sure are gonna be the Turtle Wax Graphene, and then the absolute best performer from this test for sure was the Chemical Guys HydroSlick. Again, I wasn't expecting that. It is the most expensive, but I wasn't expecting it. And I'm impressed. Good job, Chemical Guys. Value-wise, the Turtle Wax Graphene is probably better because it's like almost half the price, so keep that in mind. But if you want that really fast sheet off, that one's really good to go. We'll test it again down the road. We're gonna eventually beat these up and see you know, how they last. But so far, just off of initial impressions, HydroSlick's #1, Turtle Wax Graphene's #2. As far as the polishes go, the polish related ceramics, I like them all. They all work really well. I will say, just to mention Caliber again, he did mention that to get the most hydrophobic, you do want to put some sort of spray hydrophobic property over the top to get it really slick. So that's good to mention. Also, these two both are fantastic for applying or doing your prep polish before applying a ceramic coating. For some reason, the silica SiO2 in it help adhere the actual ceramic to it, and it works phenomenal. I actually just did a Rolls-Royce Phantom, and I used this product to prep it before I ceramic coated it. So I'll put a picture up of it here. But that's it, guys. Let me know down in the comments below, do you guys want me to start throwing a bunch of different chemicals at this and try and beat it up that way? Or do you just want me to put it in the backyard of my house, leave it outside in the elements, and test it that way? I feel like that's a little bit better of a representation, because your car's out in the world and it's not constantly getting hit by a bunch of different chemicals. I mean, it is industrial fallout and all that kind of stuff, but over time. So maybe what I'll do is I'll leave the panel out, let it do its thing just in nature, test it, and then once we see that, the results from that, and then I'll start beating up with chemicals. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Let me know how you want me to test this. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.